Gates open, they're up and racing. Benissimo, touch of gold is by the rail. Lady Atasha, joining them is Haywire. Then comes Salinas, Leon Face comes next. Next in line, third last, Happy Morning. Then comes Moneybank and go! Vinny is running at the tail of the field as they rounded the last 600. Now we have Benissimo win command. Haywire in second. Moving a party outside is Lady Atasha as they race at the last 450. Benissimo still leading the field. Lady Atasha moving a party outside. Then running by the rail, touch of gold together with Salinas with 200 to go. Benissimo running in between runners. Salinas, Lady Atasha moving a party outside. Lady Atasha, Salinas, Benissimo, touch of gold. And leading the finish line, it's Lady Atasha, Salinas, Benissimo. Then comes touch of gold, Leon Face for your Pentafect.